I was cruising Reddit when one of the Redditors asked if we could identify this unique image. She said it's on the back of her husband's head and she didn't know what it is. He wanted her to make sure that it wasn't a tick or something. So do you want to guess what it is? I'll give you a hint. Human papilloma virus, HPV. That's right, HPV that causes these fissured warts. So when I did a search online, these are other images that came up as fissured warts, again, caused by HPV. And I guess the term fissured makes sense, as fissured just means a small crack or split, like in a rock. Now, a large percentage of Americans actually have HPV, so people get very defensive about this topic. And not all types of HPV cause this sort of wart. So these warts particularly remind me of the type of wart you'd see on a witch. Anyone else notice that? Alright, with that being said, I want to share with you a really cool image. Check this thing out. Anyone want to guess what we're seeing here? Leave a comment below if you can identify what this is. And with that being said, thanks again for watching. Please click like and subscribe for new videos every week. Take care and goodbye.
Don't forget to check out our favorite Pimple Popper kit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon to make popping pimples a pleasure. It has a lancet for big whiteheads and cysts, a spade for dilated pores and corners, the cone extractor for thick blackheads, and loops of various sizes. You'll be able to pop any pimple in the house. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by cheap knockoffs, many of which use similar online pictures, but are just low-end replicas. Pick up this professional kit by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.